ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
MLA jong Hill State People's Democratic Party uba Renikton lingdo tongkhar ubadairu menteri jong sarkar jilla ulo Ïaroh yo menteri rangba Conrad kongkel sangma halor ka jingla ban penko ngo bat bantan ni kisan ngut ki MLA jong seng Congress banye trailang hapo ka kinhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka babat yo lakam sanshar hapo kani ka jilla haga jingya keren bat ka Batisi TV uba Renikton lingdo tongkhar ulo ong ba ka jing penya so jong ki sangut ki MLA ka Congress ha ka kinhon jong ka MDE kala ban dairu bakila perkhat jingai lepa shwa ba ka election sha ka yeng dorbar thawan kan salong house nam ar hajar ar pulai.
I'm happy that we get more and more MLAs into our group, and I truly believe the wisdom of our leader, our Honorable Chief Minister, who had attracted others also to join the MDA government. See, I know that, as I told you, that I trust at the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister. He understands that we are there at the time of need. So I don't think that it will affect anybody, any party, since now we are approaching the end of the term and we have worked so hard the last 4 years to cooperate, to coordinate with all the partners. So I truly believe that it will not have any effect on us. We will continue to work together till the end of the term. Even though others join, they will join to strengthen, and I could see that joining of other parties or other group to MDA, I think they plan for the next election, not for this term. I truly believe that the plan is for the next election, not for this term. So anything can happen for which it's unpredictable what will happen the next election. But all the thing that's happening now may be for the next election, not for this term. If I'm not wrong, they may not contest from Congress next election. That's what I could see. I don't know, I may be wrong also, but I think they will not contest from Congress again. You see, it is time, as of today, if all those 5 will not contest, so Congress will contest only with new faces in 2023. So it's difficult to predict whether those new faces can really bring a change to promise to the people that we are going to bring a change mindset, new faces, young faces to the politics of Meghalaya. Because we know 12 went to TMC, and then if these 5 that are having now, if they are not contesting from Congress again, so there will be no existing MLA to contest in the next election from Congress. So I can't say what will happen to Congress. This is of course a bit surprise to many people that Congress and BJP are together in MDA government. But as I said from before, that their plan is for 2023. So I'm sure BJP also they understand and they know that Congress coming now to join MDA, it's just showing that Congress has been reduced to 0. For the sitting MLA to contest the next election. So we know the target of BJP is to bring down, to wipe out Congress from the country. So, of course, among BJP and Congress, we know BJP will be happy to see that things wiped out. But I'll have no comment to say what will happen, because it's not a BJP-led government. Had it been a BJP-led government, I think this thing cannot happen had it been a BJP-led government. But because it's not a BJP-led government in Meghalaya, so this thing had happened. You see, every group as an MDA, it is our duty to try our best to ensure that this government come back. So you never know, even these 5 MLAs from which party will contest the next election. So it is a collective benefit as an MDA, and it is means MDA has been able to win Congress to come to this group, hoping that they'll contest from the MDA parties, which we don't know from which party they'll be contesting. We are working together with UDP. We are together, you know, we are working in RDA. So we are together. So, I mean, let's see whether we can work better, we can work together better, or we remain like this, but we are already together with UDP.